Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Bluetooth speaker paired but no sound or music in Windows 11 fixed. Click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Bluetooth. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Open Bluetooth support service, change startup type to automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Open Bluetooth audio gateway service, change startup type to automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Select Show Disabled Devices and also select Show Disconnected Devices. Select Bluetooth audio device, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Levels tab, change volume to maximum. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.